ले कई टॉपिक दी है केमिस्ट्री है केमिस्ट्री वाले चैप्टर 2 केम कही दिया यही दिया periodic classification of elements, chemical bonding, acid bases and salt ये है chemistry ये पत्मा देव नेउचिक chemistry introduction दान देव नेउचिक गेल होई कसा यनलें 16th century मा आखा ये chemistry खान develop नाइ किया methane अना ही तांगपिउ बंगाई चिले ये metallium substance खात पिपिउ खा गोला gold so sagdi si kaya oi kha these are all before 16th century oi kha English alchemy ki chia neuchik chemistry ki padan kon gen ya yeah okay atunga chemistry chi mai kha Arabic power kimia achiwa this Arabic chemistry kimia aile suppose the chemistry is genna diena okay alchemia hon sinonwa Arabic power aile English in chemistry bangchi ni gian dai chi le okay so Arabic ya alchemia hi le English achu alchemy sin hong ki chita hi ai kha alchemy 16th century tan why nung 16th century ki pat anung lam te kha okay modern chemistry hong ki chia wana Robert Boyle he is the first chemist to perform quantitative experiment. Okay, chemistry to kisaya experiment hi masapian. Robert Boyle aya. Ama kha okay, father of modern chemistry le kicha. Okay, he is a father of chemistry. Lenga kichi hey. Adang te sui ngai kia. Okay, alchemy to modern chemistry ahong kisha nai. Ale. Okay. The outline being chapter 1 again sa bagina periodic classification of elements aya elements kilang kya okay BSEM textbook net chapter 1 hi da CBSE chapter 5 hai ho I paididan ya hi okay outline classification of element Dobereiner on pana o Newland on Zoma ya thumna Lothar Meyer kichi khatama ile BSEM textbook ki koi kya CBSE achom okay and lastly Mendeleev periodic table ongoma why kicha modern periodic table ongki forma why kicha periodic table yai okay trend on the basis of modern periodic table chi oma property hen khat atomic radius metallic character valency adang dang okay modern periodic table period lamja makalam group lamai wai pai changa bangcha lian deu ya akele new deu ya chi te enjek ding hi right chapter 1 thi sawe periodic classification of elements gen lo thelo Robert Boyle okay he is the father of modern chemistry okay 1661 amana element and define so maybe ba element ni chu bang substance hidin ama sanga simple zo kom decompose thein on lo suppose gold hi le gold noila ma decompose thein on lo okay tu mala mineral khan hi de gold on so gold ban paithin on that is called element examples helium kele okay sodium potassium okay carbon why ban kha paithin on that is called okay substance that cannot be decomposed into simpler substance by chemical method why kha Robert Boyle the father of modern chemistry 1661 definition apya kai aile yai om tai ve ama hun lai 16th century lai kha element somle thumo mai somle thumo mu ong pungdeu ake ong tamdeu changa methane element te kha group by hian ngai hi quoting non metal quoting gas okay classification in ngai hi tam de hi chang mo poi mo an sawa a property hon ngai to we suppose ye ithei sai atomic symbol ya element here this can be carbon helium nitrogen any element okay gold okay tunglama superscript abang a this is called mass number it is a proton to neutron ki gom form it's called mass number to anoya z atomic number okay example okay we know hydrogen atomic number 1 mass number 1 helium atomic number 2 mass number 4 okay carbon 6 atomic number mass number 12 boron atomic number 5 mass number 11 okay I kile oxygen atomic number 8 mass number bangsa somle group nitrogen atomic number 7 mass number 15 Neutik en quale okay ama len ngai to hi mass number khendi moi kile atomic number khendi okay basically they classify elements in increasing order of atomic mass hai neutik thilkhat en jogle chen ngai to saule chen banga and the even atomic number 10 namu ya even atomic number 2 4 2 6 8 yaite mass number kha just 11 just double the atomic number vale atomic number double ge 2 2 or 4 2 6 or 12 2 8 or 16 yeah odd atomic number 10 di ule a mass number okay double hinolo double plus 1 vale 2 5 or 10 plus 1 2 7 or 14 plus 1 easily the omole okay odd atomic number the mass number is given by double the atomic number and add 1 okay those are basics okay aile mi masatena okay Dobereiner trite meaning tri meaning 3 element thuman koi khomai tabla what he did okay akumle 1829 he Dobereiner okay banga hi chile amana kha element thuman go mention element masapa to thumna pa atomic number a mean online chen that is equal to the mass number of the middle one okay this is called law of trite example isinangai okay so Dobereiner trite li hon success hi on hi khat ni thumli okay calcium strontium beryl enola okay calcium atomic mass ka 44.1 hen khara 40 ke chidia ya fraction of atomic mass why neuchik kon game chiang dia why is atomic mass a fraction okay I need a space check this calcium 40.1 atang pi chu 40 ki gele ai kile chlorine atomic number 35.5 kichi hai okay atomic mass okay bangja kai di leuchik calculation kon galjol dia enlechin okay you should know isotope is what same atomic number but different mass chlorine alani atomic number ki bang but different mass 35 hai at 37 hai chlorine has two isotopes 35 and 37 aile nature abundance 35 ka 75 no sorry 35 ka 75% hai abundance nature ki mu ek ka 25% on calculate how will mass number of chlorine 35.5 how is it okay so 75% of chlorine 35 okay 8 25% of chlorine 37 on calculate lechen okay 75% chichu yai okay divide cut by 5 in hisuk okay atom nanon mudi subang okay 71 by 2 1 mudi nai that 71 by 2 is okay 35.5 why is again atomic mass of many elements are in fractions enule fraction ta tamai chlorine ai da na explanation enule okay 40.1 boil out dia fraction hum pai jak okay ai le okay doppelganger na hi bangale yai tigel on a te tole okay you take the mean of the first and the third taking the mean meaning 40.1 plus last na pen 137.3 he will divide by 2 because he took two elements is divide by 3 hilo divide by 2 okay this is the mean okay 87.6 kongan mo dia okay hence 88.7 aya it's all fractions man ai le doppelganger ina element de thum thuma han lep to le yai repetition of this property lian moi okay calcium bromine iodine le yaitigel AFD divided by 2 will be this very close to 79.9 nitrogen phosphorus S13 nitrogen okay 14 plus 74 divided by 2 will be 31 point okay lithium whose mass atomic number is 6.9 plus 39 divided by 2 is 23 okay? So doppelganger contribution yeah okay so he could get forthright vale I think jam te lang min teo ole doppelganger tried apoi mo danian dia okay so BSCM 2018 hang so kahi enole now te elements A B and C okay they form one trait of doppelganger trait okay and what okay find out calculate x chita calculate x what is the principle of doppelganger trait atomic mass of first member atomic mass of last member okay add them divided by 2 which is called mean which is okay that is equal to okay the atomic mass of the middle principle is to x calculate action all okay good 70 plus x equal to yai pai to sako multiply 2 3 6 46 x jong di mai therefore x is equal to 46 minus pai pai pung sa pale 39 okay 39 so value of x is 39 okay atomic mass of 39 I kile this it's very close to 40 okay this is potassium atomic mass is around 39 or 40 okay so second part of the question does the trait also exist in Newland next topic there which answer there so okay this is how you calculate the value of x doppelganger trait poi mo dan ane no okay dem say ai dong dia okay doppelganger ina a contribution lian takania himale a classification a hoilona a limitation le omvevia why to bangai chile okay he could form 3 or 4 male 4 tried it ma thumiam 4 tried lihiam so he succeed in forming around 3 or 4 tried only okay why zakina element tampi la ka heteng so hi la chu successful lo ma okay a limitation of doppelganger trait is this one ma okay next Newland a contribution in there why hit a dong there okay Newland 1866 ama leong ki panno na ama hi chu bang octave chi chu gyat music a ithei ma do re mi fa sol la ti do gyat music ki na thei diwa gyat a pai ven okay gyat a pai ven aman hon arrange style hydrogen on pan okay lithium okay pai so count khatana pat agyan na to okay count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 ane sodium pandono le khat ni thum li nga guk fluorine sorry khat ni thum li nga guk sagi gyat cha pai di okay so I khat na to agyat na pen mala they have the same property so he kept them in one group mala okay Was it hydrogen to fluorine to chlorine? They have the same property. So lithium, sodium, potassium, they have the same property. They are in one group. Beryllium, magnesium, calcium. They have the same property. Yeah, a success merit of Newland octave. Yeah, here. Hoi mama do berener sangalo chingzo chini. Himale ai enlechin the merit to bangaj calcium ban paizom thin on lo. Calcium ban element te ahi som chenga. They don't follow this octave rules. Okay. Okay. Next. Genhinta, the property of 8 element were found to be resemble close to the first element. Khat na pa to gyan na pa, property of kibang ge. Why Newland octave rule success na kawai ya. Mahun line 62 element oma. Why tinga gong khole calcium tan. Calcium tan. After calcium, there's a problem. Okay. Okay. Question is on the opai thi. Enole. Okay. Element A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Pampian koi khoma. Atomic number length ya. Atomic weight 7, 9. Okay. Element A, B, C, D, E, F, G han koi ta. Okay. Mass number leon koi ta. Ay question on dot bangale. What is it? Okay. Which element out of this have the same property? Okay. Bangale Newland octave. 1 and the 8 element, they have the same property. Okay. Khat nan panule, this is first one. Okay. Okay, this is first. Khat, ni, thum, li, nga, guk, sagi, gyat. That means A to E, there will be one group. Okay. Mass number, bangsa, thum. Mass number 35. Okay. Sim todi, pai todi. Okay. So A to E, they will be in one group. They have the same property. Which of the 2 elements having same properties according to Newland law of octave? Okay. A and E. Answer is A and E. Okay. Mendeleev, Athumnaya, onke panota. Classification of elements laklaka. Mendeleev contribution hoi pena, detail pena. Amanle, okay, is the classification of elements are periodic function of their atomic weight or atomic mass. Atomic mass, Hanto Dahan, Ernst Stone. What do you find? Why on Ernst Bana, he okay, oxide, he element pe group gyatan shalivo. Why te ha oxygen tohon react ma? The oxide form of group 1 looks like this, R20. Group 2, RO, R2O3. Oxide of its element, the oxide of its element. Leon koya. Why bana? Hydride. Meaning hydrogen to why element te leon reactive. This means hydride of each element in the group. Okay. Hydride of group 1 looks like RH. Group 2 looks like RH2. Hydride of group 3, RH3. Oh, paito. Okay. Table ka yelle lunga poison. Himale na thediu oxide of its group, hydride of its group on koi. Okay. More systematic and okay. Amasa minite contribution nga ye ka hoizo. At demerit yedle transition element ka group A ta. Yeah, yan koi. Group A ta transition element on koi. Modern periodic table to hi bana hi diwakha transition elements. Okay, to amaki ko hi. Okay, but Himalaya mahun line group A ta on koya waikha a demerit ama table abu kimlo na khat ai. Okay, enole. Okay, Mendeleev periodic table yenwa. Okay, amana classification element na hilaya. What are the principle guided by which he followed? Okay. Khanabang. Okay. Increasing atomic mass, midang tele nidang atomic mass, increasing atomic mass ahiu. Amal lehi, good, very good. Secondly, ahi hoi mama tu bangai chile. Grouping of element, okay? Grouping of element with same property, putting their what? Okay, considering their what? Oxide and hydrides. Hi hoi na mama. So, okay, magni yang pai the, okay? What are the two factors by which Mendeleev was guided while classifying the elements? Okay, yeah, together. Good. Aile Mendeleev periodic law ha hoi ma ichiwa note in the form of notes. Gel di lesson. You should not miss these 4 points. Mule Mendeleev periodic hoi na te bangale remarkable features. Ahoy na mamate bang element a group in more fundamental basis midang tia toki banglo hamaka hoi tom si ma. Okay, prediction of properties of new elements. Mendeleev hi hoi na mama non chu ama hunlaya scandalium gallium germanium te kimunailo himale ama wadi amun anakoi hi why tu nu ang kimu hitwa ka amun tia to hon lo theu mo uchi tu ga inside lungsim fel na khadan ne ya table kha hoi mama element kimunailo tia dile group space ana koi mo pana atomic weight, atomic mass. Can khata digloten bol dika. Okay. So platinum to gold bangle atomic mass hon hi cha khat penom ma sari khat penom nu di te bangle hon koreka. Third point ano na inert gas group 18 teloi. Okay. Helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon. Group 18 group. Okay. Ama hunla eti omnailo isu. Omnailo himale ama adi mun na koi saka. Why? Okay. Kumsom nilinganu. Okay. Kumsom nilinganu ang kimu noble gas telo ang kimu khide na ama mun on lot setwa uchina periodic table le boy na omlo ma. Okay. Mendeleev kumsom nilinga kon si kon gen siang deu den music athei be non te din. Okay. Okay. Ya mon gel ni. So 1894 Nobel gas te kibu hepan. Why matham thama Mendeleev in periodic table ana bolta 1869 ahi. Ya bol tu akum kha 1869 minus ole 1894 minus 1869 kum som ni lenga gi nunga Nobel gas akimu hong kimu okay amana mun na ko hinta ucha pang ma boy nam lo okay Mendeleev periodic table kha paizom te merit hi hoi na mama ahi. So the main features of Mendeleev periodic tables 4 points. Okay, miss khaglo di by heart di. Okay. Thilim chu buki momlo hoi ahoi na ta tamama ahoi lo na te bang bangale. Okay, limitation of Mendeleev classifications. Khen khat isotope thei vele wala same atomic number but different mass. Isotope khen khat in boy na tuak ma. Okay. Anomalies of atomic weight and properties of element khen khat le tuaka. Suppose example potassium atomic mass 39 hinjan was okay so khat pena calcium where is it okay argon atomic mass 40 hi okay why kha atomic mass of paito dile yai okay argon is 18 atomic number potassium atomic number 19 yai amount de hilele yai pen potassium pen kha amount dai mu okay potassium amount dai okay Mendeleev classification of potassium amount why kha hoilo na ya. Third point falling off dissimilar elements in same group element khen khat atom hina pi group khatan ko eve okay example like pya okay mercury lead barium okay mercury lead barium teloi kha property ki bang hina pia group to man koi kha okay alina ahoilo na okay limits demerit gina bangchin hydrogen position kha clear lo hydrogen the position kha aman le koina dikha clarity om lo so hydrogen position always have been a controversial okay why jega modern periodic table le ko ya extreme left hydrogen ko schedule ma so Mendeleev le hydrogen position kha chiang ta gain thei lo okay okay limitation of Mendeleev classification 4 points khat ni okay khat ni thumli mangelo di okay okay Mendeleev periodic table to ke sai question kha poimo a BSCM 2010 so okay what are the main limitations of Mendeleev periodic table I think gel suk bi mai okay to is a little modern periodic table yeah okay Henry Moseley 1913 amana I on bol kya kaya okay his basis of classification of elements is what a periodic function of their atomic numbers amana atomic mass dung zui han arrange non atomic number an jangta ma plus point hai plus point Henry Moseley 1913 why kita okay 7 rows sagi on coincident rows meaning okay period kon gen cheng dia next slide was a group len khena so eno lena okay til kha thai ding koi pen period ya koi pen group achanga boy hoi thi pichigan deu jam teun lan okay you know mnemonic meaning which help your memory mala memory an pan pi thai ding khen khat you know mnemonic or okay itin ka gela kan okay row gichi hai teloi sagi om deu 7 rows these are called period rp jamte di 7 column vertical column okay these are called groups somle gyat phadio in modern periodic table khamni thumle ga sei somle gyat okay ye jamte di no okay rows are called period 7 of them are columns are called group okay modern periodic table abana note down in computer why ma diuna okay now in period first period it contains 2 elements second period is a okay third period as I said 7 paisuk okay I neutic modern periodic table general table kon gen there group 1 to group 2 are called what S block element group 1 group 2 are called S block ya cheng there ya laya tel okay group 3 keep on 12 tel this is called D block and 13 keep on 18 tel B block and this transition element okay yeah no amte F block elements so S P D F okay question om thei khat as element te min atam tam mai jan to bangchi bai hat di so mnemonic isang non dia okay et sagna di na okay heteloi S block element bang ci by hard di okay so you can make this small memory tips okay his last son play rugby cricket and football mala group 1 teloi by hard thi kele chidi okay his for what hydrogen lithium sodium potassium rubidium cesium francium his last son play rugby cricket and football actually group 1 member thing by hard thi mo min okay group 2 member te bang chi by hard di okay but my calm son beg for rugby okay before what beryllium okay magnesium calcium strontium okay barium radium educate hi dana ya no mimal na the no ki bol the ma p block bang chi by hard di Okay, group 13 bang chu. Okay, brother Andrew got intelligent though. Jamui bang simma. Okay, brother for what? Boron. Okay, aluminum, gallium, indium. Okay, tellurium. Thallium, sorry, thallium. Hey, group 14. Bang by hadi. Can sun go to left? Can sun go to left? Carbon, silicon, okay, germanium, tin, lead. Okay, group 15. Both nobody pass away. Answer back. Nitrogen, potassium, okay, astatine, phosphorus, astatine, lead, okay, bismuth. Group 16. Oh, somebody should tell possible answers. Oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium, polonium. Fish cannot breathe in air. By heart okay. Chlorine, bromine, iodine. He never arrived kit Xerox randomly. Okay. Helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon. Yete mi mala okay element te by heart mi mala by heart ina kisin the ai. Okay. Ya lehu chi thau. Mani kizil the. Chi le elements te min periodic table. Bagle afeka element te min by heart haksalo he. Etan zodia. Enolena. Okay, modern periodic table again one. Okay, in other words, it is called long form of periodic table. Long form of periodic table. The main features of modern periodic tables are okay. Period. Then again, first period, second period, third period. Element yeza omwa. Okay, yeza gensu. Okay. Explain should be. Group 10. Okay, group 10 explain. Group members there. Okay. What are groups? Yay mangilo di. Period te gen hidunga. Group. CG. Columns are called groups. Groups are te. First group ko member te. Hydrogen, helium, sodium, potassium. Gensu. They are called alkali. Okay. Alkali meaning strong base. Gensu. Group 2. Okay. 13, 14, 17. Paisu. Okay. Genpei. Group 17 go halogen. Gensu. Explain. Main features of modern periodic table. Yeda an answer diwe. Poimo ung sok zeu. Yele nole. Aile. Okay. So we have Deborah, Newland, octave, Mendeleev, and modern periodic table. And modern periodic table pen ahoy pen standard pen to isat leli pen. I compare this modern periodic table. How is it superior to Mendeleev? 8 points. Okay. Long forms of modern periodic tables are based on what? Atomic number. Okay. Elements are classified as a periodic function of what? Atomic numbers. But Mendeleev is what? Is a periodic function of what? Atomic mass. Okay. Position of element with its electronic configurations. Electron te leng, okay, electron te position leng, chiang again modern periodic tables. Yeah, okay, it remove anomaly. Mendeleev table boy argon, something potassium ma pen bang le gen dik chat. Okay, modern periodic hong dik gate ta. Okay, it remove the element found in periodic table like grouping. Element ki bang lo te bang, okay, mun khata te akele element ki bang mun tuama Mendeleev table an te kha modern periodic honsu chiang vek ma. Okay, then point number 6. Okay, the change in property of various elements while moving across either what period or group. Chiang deu mai. Okay, typical representative transition element. Mendeleev ina group okay transition element bang akile atom te group A ta asungan koi pen modern periodic table in table tua ma anoi lama koi syama okay felli le tan koi syai enola kabino no le modern periodic table to Mendeleev periodic table a differences bang ete gensa vek okay yeah bang transition elements are arbitrarily placed in group 8. But transition element fits in the middle of long period, which is kept in the below. BSEM 2010 aswak bangai chile Okay, so in which group of modern periodic table does the element with atomic number 20 belongs? Atomic number 20 is what? Calcium. Atomic number calcium. Okay, mass number is 40. In which group does calcium belong? I lay. Okay. Yeah, where is calcium? Calcium atomic number 20. Yeah, okay. Which group, he said? Okay, columns are called group CG. Okay, calcium belongs to what? Group 2. Right? Answer is what? Group 2. So, okay. Yeah. Question number 2 now. How does the classification of elements in modern period differ from that Mendeleev? Yeah, you know, okay, what are the main limitation of Mendeleev? Well, limitation. Okay. Okay, 2011 BSCM questions. What is the basis for classification in modern periodic? Describe the main features of modern Okay. Okay, good. 2012 BSCM questions. Now, element aluminium to chlorine as a member. Okay, he said third period. Okay, what is period? Row period. Okay, third period is a rows and they are called period. Third period member aluminium. Okay, 13 chlorine 17. To which group they belong? Bang group omache. Okay. These are called group. Okay, columns are called group. Aluminium is in group 13. Chlorine is in group 17. Where is it? Chlorine is in group 17. So, okay. I compare their atomic size, like electronegativity, then discuss there. Okay. Okay. Past questions here, okay, trend. Okay, on the basis of modern periodic tables, meaning atomic size left to right, which is called period, increase or decrease. Atomic size from top to bottom, which is called group. Okay, top to bottom columns are called group, increase or decrease. So example mas valency. Valency usual there. Valency left to right na paiche bangatia. Okay, yeah, chiang me. Okay, example textbook example element of second period and failure chen. Yeah, this element lithium, beryllium, boron, oxygen, neon. Okay, valence electron bangale. Okay, here. Electronic configuration gelta. So atomic number 3. So you'll write 2,1. So the last outermost shell electron open is called valence electron. Outermost electron. This is called valence electron 1. Okay. Beryllium atomic number 4 you should write 2,2. So valence electron is 2. Boron valence electron 3. Okay. Carbon 4. Okay. Oxygen, nitrogen 5, oxygen 6, fluorine 7, neon 8. Okay. Okay. Like a valence electron. Haksalo. Valency, okay. What is valency? Valency meaning point ni na thei diwa hoi chu khatna bang. If valence electrons is less than 4, look at this, less than 4, equal to 4. 4 ton valence electron teha, its valency is equal to the valence electrons. A valence electron hi chima. Uchile valence electron li tan li ki patanoilam teng valence electron teha it is its own valency. Valency hon mark hele 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. Aile point number 2 na thei diu khatma. If valence electrons are greater than 4. 4 sa tamjota 5, 6, 7, 8. In this case, what is his valency? A valency bangita. Okay. The formula is the valence electron minus 8. Okay. Valence electron minus 8 for elements having valence electron greater than 5. And only now, 5. Take the case of nitrogen, 5. Valence electron 5 ita. So for nitrogen, okay, valency for nitrogen is what? Valence electron bangsa nga, and then you should subtract with 8, so bangsa minus 2. Dik ma, okay. Nitrogen valency kathum dik ma, okay. Oxygen I know le. Valency of oxygen. Valency of oxygen is what? Okay. Valence electron minus 8. The valence electron is 6. Subtract 8 minus 2. So 2. Take the number 2. 2. Same way. Okay. Valency of what? Fluorine is called is how much? Valence electron minus 8. So minus 1. 1. So 1. So for neon, valency of neon. Okay. Valence electron is how much? 8. 8 minus 8. Okay. Equal to 0, 0. Why is that? Okay. Along the period. Okay. Along the period, okay, valency increase and then decrease. Yeah, point mangil. Valency increase to 4 and then decrease to 0. Same thing here. Okay. Elements of third period, configuration. Okay. The valency, check the valency now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Valency of element along the period is otawa. It first decrease, no, it increase and then decrease. Along the group, it's all the same. And you learn now. Valency kibang from top to bottom, valency of elements are the same. For example, lithium atomic number 3, electronic configuration 2 minus 1. This is the valence electron. Sodium 1, potassium 1. Okay. So what did we learn? Okay. Along the period, valency increase and decrease. However, along the group, down the group, valency remain the same. Good. Question khat. Okay. 2018 BSCM. What valency will be shown by element having 16 proton? Valency on dongai. Okay. Valency of element having 16 proton. Number of proton means number of atomic number chinai. Okay. Atomic number is what? Number of proton or number of electrons. 16. Okay. Oxygen, right? Oxygen atomic number is 16. Ama valency bangi tadiale. Electronic configuration kya 2, 8, and 6. What is the valence electron? This. Good. Valence electron is greater than 4. Then okay. Remember previous slide? Valence electrons valency is given by what? Valence is equal to valence electron minus 8. Valence electron is 6 minus 8. So this is 2. Okay. Take the number. Why is that? What valency will be shown by the element having atomic number 16? 2. You will have valency equal to 2. Okay. Atomic size. Okay. Atomic size is equal to proton akipana a cell last. Okay. Electronics. Okay. Last cell. Yakipana yaitan. This is called atomic size. Okay. Unit for describing atomic size is called picometer. Okay. Pico it is 10 to the minus 12 meter. Okay. Okay. Second to third period the unit is picometer. Okay. Again chetun nahi. A size u n pedi ule. Okay. This is a period. Okay. Check all. Lithium 123 picometer, beryllium 90 picometer, boron 80, 77, 75. So, okay. Yaitana a size new. Yeah, okay, neon. Inert gas, only Anna could explain there. Third period, tam, tom, tom. Neo, young Lian non. Okay. Along the period, atomic size decrease up to fluorine, and then at neon it increases. Along the period, bangziakai deal now there. Lithium atomic number 3 proton, beryllium 4 proton. Okay. These are plus, all plus. Okay. Nucleus is proton is okay. 7p carbon, nitrogen 7p. Okay. A positive charge increase Yeah, a cell, okay. The K cell, L cell, okay. K cell 2 electron, electronic configuration ke lesson 2,1. Okay. 2 electron ko L cell electron hat. K cell electron ni. L cell electron ni. Hat ni. K cell electron ni, L cell thum. K cell ni, L cell li. Ni nga, thum, ni gug, ni sagi, ni get paito. Isab danaka assigns the kibang payvek. This is what we expect. Okay, going from left to right, which is called along the period. Size of the element should be the same. But in reality, atak taka hochilohi. New, as ya to again. Yeah, positive charge le khangto. Electron tele khata ki be lap hai. Positive charge hard de. This is called effective nuclear charge. Tam de electron tele tam de electron is negative. Yeah, positive charge tam de electron negative. Okay. Attraction hard de. Hard pay and attraction between this effective nuclear charge and electron becomes stronger. So it starts shrinking. Why? Okay. Along the period, atomic size decrease. Exception on dia okay. Yeah, noble gas teloy neon teloy honglian non. Neon chika size. Honglian non azia it's all about their inert gas dia radius van der Waals atomic radius. Yeah, adang teng okay. Covalent radius is yakina. Van der Waals is always weaker than covalent radius. Wazaka gas lehi ki expand it was lian type mo. Uchilawa tangpia. It's a general rule. Along the period, atomic size decreases. Down the group lah banget sih dia. Down the group apa isu gole? Lian deu. Okay. It's because zakia kon gen dia. Okay. Positive charge nuclear increase wana electron pe aki et chena ya cell, K cell, L cell, M cell. Lian deu hi manina. Okay, yeah, last electron to yeah proton attraction all de attraction between the nucleus and the valence electron is becoming weaker and weaker as we go down the group. Why is that? Size lian deu. So we learn two things. Along the period, size decrease. Along the group, size increases. Okay, metallic and non-metallic character okay, metallic meaning metal periodic table him enleochin ya tak okay kavelam omte metal tangpi okay, metal first element metal, beryllium was still metal, boron he become metalloid, metalloid meaning, okay, having property between metal and non-metal. Non-metal, then gas. Again, bangale, okay. Metallic character decreases from, okay, left to right. Why? Number 2, nature of oxides of element. Oxides of element meaning, element dekha oxygen to react lechin. Okay, the compound form is called oxide. Sodium oxygen to react, sodium oxide. The formula looks like Na2O. Okay, magnesium MgO, aluminum Al2O3, silicon, okay, phosphorate, oxygen to react, they are called oxides. All right. Along the period, okay, what is the nature of these oxides? Okay. Sodium, strongly basic. Now, Anina, magnesium is strongly basic. Aluminum is amphoteric, meaning having property between basic and acid. Okay. Basic, amphoteric, then acidic. As we go from left to right, okay, the oxide of those elements, okay, is basic right here, amphoteric and acidic. It's becoming more acidic as we go from left to right. Okay. Down the group, nature of, okay, oxide of those elements. Down the group, okay. Okay. Electropositive character is metallic character. It decreases. Group decreases. So yes, is basic character decrease devdi. First pen basic, and na amphoteric, okay, acid. So wana ithaidia atom lamde way geno taile ithaidia hoichu atexpu ki gello nikum, okay, January 2019 element li IUPAC na okay, accept meaning akimuthakte okay, officially accepted. Khatnabang nihonium. Okay, atomic number is given 113. Symbol is NH, N subscript H. Okay, this nihonium is named after what? Japanese. Okay, Japan means Japanese, after Japan. Okay, Nina moscovium, having atomic number Z equal to 115. Symbol is M subscript C. Tennessee, okay, this moscovium is named after what? Moscow. Okay, Tennessee, this, okay, Tennessee Mintama, Tennessee. Atomic number 117, formula is TS. Organism, last element. Okay, this is named after Japanese, Russian scientist Yuri Oganessian Mintama. Okay, Oganessian. Why is it gonna? Libo ki get low. The latest 4 elements, newly found 4 elements, are nihonium, moscovium, tennessium, organism.